Let's talk a little bit about the programs that we do. So the very first program, I'll just kind of start from the bottom and come up. So the very first program is the personal injury program that we do. The very simplest form is taking only the seminars. That's if you just wanted to take the seminars and that's it, that's the very lowest thing you can do with me, okay? And what that involves is documentation and marketing. And it's the documentation are the top 5 financial drivers. It's the 4 steps to defend the case. It's the 6 steps to tell the story and win the case. And then it'll include the 4 injury award offers and the financial claims worksheet. That'll tell you how to put the case together, document the case. And then the second thing is the marketing. The marketing, I told you there's 14 different marketing systems. The number one that gets 80% of the mother load of the patients is the personal injury attorney educational sales. That's the mother load. So we covered a lot of the marketing systems. The patient, remember I said there's 5 places the patients go first. First place is the video newsletter for your patients. Then there's the insurance videos. Then there's the Google for Business. Then there's the condition videos, the sign. Those are the first 5 places. And then we go right into the personal injury attorney educational sales, the medical doctor personal injury attorney sales. I will show you how pay-per-click works with Facebook or Google. And there's some circumstances I'd do it for the cost. Am I going to build a massive business on Facebook pay-per-click? No. Nothing nowhere near like personal injury attorney educational sales. And I got to spend money for that. I don't have to spend much, if any money at all, on personal injury attorney educational sales. I have to have knowledge. I don't have to spend money. I just have to have knowledge. And some basics with advertising in the paper. And then I told you the 3 different forms of organic search is the organic, pay-per-click, and Google for Business. So those are all the 14 systems. And not all of them work the same. Like I told you, I mean, if all the guys that do $1 million a year, they put all their energy in the personal injury attorney educational sales because that's the mother load. I mean, that's where you, not only when you initially get the business, that's when you get the repeat business. Well, when you advertise, you have to spend money or whatever, then you got to do it again. Then you got to do it again, and it's not as effective. So I always try to put things in perspective too. I don't try to blow one thing out of proportion. I kind of put it in perspective. So that's what happens with the personal injury.